Owning a pool is really cool, but maintaining it, not so much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Santi, and today I'm here in this beautiful day in South Florida here at the pool, testing out this brand new Beatbot Sora 70. So stay tuned because I'm going to tell you everything about it. Like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. This is the Beatbot Sora 70. And this one is designed to do it all. Now, the build quality feels solid right away, premium finish, clean lines, heavy duty tracks, and I love the color finish. And this model has already earned a few awards like the Gadgeter Best CES 2026, which I attended, and that was a really fun time, a PC Weld Best of CES 2026. So this isn't just another pool robot, it's already an award recognized. And the Sora 70 is a cordless robotic pool cleaner that delivers a jet pool surface cleaning, porcelain coverage, platform cleaning in supported pools, 6,800 gallons per hour of suction, smart surface parking, app control, up to 7 hours runtime on surface cleaning, and up to 5 hours runtime on floor cleaning. So your surface clean uses less power, it can run longer and up to 7 hours, and floor cleaning, which requires stronger suction and climbing, runs up to 5 hours. And let's go ahead and start with the 4-zone and platform cleaning. And when I say 4-zone, that means specifically floor, wall, waterline, and water surface. And separately, it also supports platform cleaning, but this applies only to pools that are shallow with platforms in at least 20 centimeters, which is 8 inches deep, and at least 1 by 1 meter, which is 3 feet by 3 feet in size. And during the shallow platform cleaning, about half of the machine remains visible above the water, which makes the scrubbing in action incredibly satisfying to watch. But again, platform cleaning is separate from the 4-zone definition. Next, we got the jet pools, and this is what makes the surface cleaning completely different, because most pool robots either ignore the surface or skim it passively. But the Sora 70 uses the jet pool's twin front spray heads, and you can literally see the two spray heads pushing the water outward while creating an inward pool that traps the debris directly into suction. And when you scatter the small leaves, find debris on the surface, you see the debris being pulled inward, no bypass around the sides, faster and control capture, and it doesn't chase the leaves, it traps them. And if that's not enough, we got the suction power and debris handling. With 6,800 gallons per hour of suction, it handles fine sand, dirt, leaves, algae, and the large 6-liter debris basket means fewer interruptions during the cleaning, and is designed for full sessions and not half jobs. Now let's talk about the app, because this isn't just the start and stop control. When you open the app, you can see the real-time cleaning status, the cleaning history, maintenance, reminders, mode selection, manual RC style control, and the real-time water temperature monitoring. So being able to monitor the water temperature directly from the app is a nice bonus, especially for seasonal pool owners. And it feels less like a simple robot and more like a connected system. Now, the one-touch recall is one of my favorite features, that you never really need to manually retrieve this from the deep water. As long as it's on the surface, you can activate the one-touch recall anytime. When the cleaning task is finished or the battery drops below 12%, it automatically floats to the edge, drains the internal water, and it waits for collection. So no fishing pole, no heavy lifting, and it comes to you. Now the battery and runtime is powered by a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, up to 7 hours of water surface cleaning, up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, and that's enough to handle large pools in a single session. And the value positioning, it comes at $14.99. And at $14.99, here's what matters, that many competing models at this price point only clean the floor, maybe the walls, and the Sora 70 delivers the surface cleaning, the floor, the walls, the water line, plus the supported platform cleaning. And that's effectively a 4-in-1 pool cleaning robot at the same price point. So you're not stacking multiple devices, you're just consolidating them. Now the early bird exclusive limited offer. Right now there's the Sora 70 early bird exclusive ending March 5th. It includes the chance to have your order fully covered by Beatbot, free dust proof cover, early bird savings auto applied at checkout, and if you're considering upgrading your pool setup this season, this is the best window to do it. So if you are interested in getting one of these for yourself, we have a special discount for our viewers. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and let me know in the comments comments, do you still prefer to do the manual labor or hiring pool cleaners, or do you prefer to get one of these robot pool cleaners like the Beatbot Sora 70? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.